everyone. So today I'm going to paint my diyas. These are the ready diyas what is available in the market, and it's very raw, and we are going to create them something magical with using a chalk paints. So first of all, what I have done, I've just selected some of these bright colors, which is perfect for our festive. So here I have lots of colors which are just perfect for these colorful festival. So all are chalk paint by ICraft. All you can see that. So now I'm just going to take a little bucket of water, and in that I'm just going to dip my diya and soak it for some time, say about 5 minutes. Once it's properly soaked, I'm just going to take it out and going to dab it on my cloth. And here you can choose any of your shades, whichever you like it. So I'm going to do Wine and Dine by ICraft. So here is my preference of color is again Wine and Dine by ICraft. I'm just going to take it and we'll just paint it nicely. Once my colors are dried completely, here I'm going to use my metallic waxes. You can use a golden color, you can use a silver color, any of your choice can be used here. I'm just going to take it on my index finger, just rub it on like a cream and just apply it on the edges. Here you go. You can use a bronze, you can use a silver, you can use any of your choice. We will be using two shades, one a gold, another is a bronze. So just I'm using it on the tip, and wherever is the design is raised, the color will come there. You can even use it inside, a little of just giving this way. Now I'm going to use it a bronze, a little on that. So I will get a shade of antique gold, which is going to look perfect for festive, and it will look good on any of these darker or a bright colors.